definitely appearing on back in today. I got the new Beats. We got the new Beats Fit Pro with a full circle. The Beats were my first video and what an experience along the way. Clearly my quality and my work has gotten a lot better over the years. So yeah, this is where it all started, you know what I'm saying? We here now. So, you know, we're gonna continue the journey. It's crazy how far we came along, man. Beats, thank you. So, without further ado, let's get it started. So what we're gonna do is unbox these, try these on, talk about the specs, blase, and yeah, let's get it started. So I gotta go today, you gotta go today. Let's get it done. Thanks for watching and rocking with me, you know what I'm saying? Dang, man, look at the journey. Go back and watch my old videos. My very first one, I'm doing the Beats thing. It's terrible. I'm telling y'all now, it's cringy, terrible, and it sucks. But let's get it started.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. I get my love right from the source, yeah. And I say, oh, the way I breathe you in is the texture of your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around you and never let you go.
All right, so here we are, Beats Fit Pro. That's a weird name. Beats Fit Pro. You know, I'm gonna let y'all figure that one out. Comfortable, secure fit wingtips and active noise cancellation. 6-hour battery life, 18 hours of case battery life, and 24 hours total. I'm not gonna lie, it's very basic. And IPX4 sweat resistance. How much did these cost again? All right, I'm gonna be very honest. I think these are the prototypes for whatever Apple decides to release their newest headphones. Because if you think about it, these come out first, right? They get all the reviews of what they need to hear, and then they take whatever they did with this and all the reviews, create the best thing they can do, and boom. So when these release, just know some new AirPods is coming right behind it. Oh wait, it did. The AirPod 3s. All right, so you got the Beats logo, and here we go. I'm not gonna lie, these are really nice. I'm glad I got white. I got white on purpose. You know, you gotta be a little different sometimes, you know. I like the white and red. I wanted to get the black and red, but I already had something like that. Sometimes you gotta change it up just to make, you know, make it seem like you got something new or something good, you know what I'm saying? So first things first, when you open it up, you get the different tip sizes, small and large. Then you get a USB Type-C charger. Then inside you get some little brochures, Apple Music. And if you guys can scan this, you're welcome. If I zoom in a little bit. Hopefully that works for y'all, but y'all welcome. If not, hit me up and I'll give you the thing. Next comes with a little guide. So you gotta hook it up. Stickers. And then warranties and extra info. All right, here we go. We got the Beats. Yo, these just look clean, man. These just is clean. Let's open it up. Yo, them joints is clean. Look at it just sitting right. Them joints are sitting right. So we got a button right here to emulate the charging. All right, so you got the case and then we open it up. You know, on the inside, you get the Beats. You got a little button right here to emulate the Wi-Fi. And then you got the earbuds themselves. Nice design, nice look, I like them. On the back, you got the USB Type-C charging. I'm gonna be honest, I think they can finally change up the design. I mean, I like how they keep the designs from day one. You know, the whole big case. They kind of update their previous old designs by kind of, you know, slimming it down, but they can do away with the big cases at this point. I mean, Beats, we get it. Just all you need is just the logo. The logo's enough. So, I mean, I like how you keep it for the fans, but I think it's time for a change. All right, so you got the Beast himself. Again, the first version AirPods. Look at them. They look like AirPods, because that's what they are. The moment Dre sold these things to Apple completely, I mean, you already knew what time it was. Like, yeah. So again, these are just the AirPods pre whatever, with tips on it, I'm not sure they're the 1.5s, the 2.5s, whatever. 1.5 Pro coming out, 0.5 Pro, who knows, but these are the tests that we test and give our honest opinions about. And they take that. I'm telling you, I'm speaking facts. Nobody gonna tell you the truth, man. All right, so here we are. So we're gonna place them in our ears. All right. Here's what it's looking like. When you put them in, the noise cancellation kind of kicks on. Kinda. I can still hear myself. But they do fit nice. So now we're gonna play some music. Let's get it started. All right, yeah, they're pretty much just the AirPod Pro 0.5, AirPod 3s, just with the tips and wings. That's all they are. They're nothing really different. I don't even know why they even still make these anymore. Like I said, they're just really just test trials, but truthfully, there's really no point in making these. I think Apple kind of just throws something out there until they, just feed the fans until they release another AirPod Pros or some new AirPods for real. And yeah, pretty much if you want some AirPod Pros with some wingtips, go and cop these. Okay, let's go and cop these. They're pretty much the AirPod Pros. Phone quality is good. I mean, again, they're made from AirPods, and that's all I gotta really say about them. Water resistance, IPX4 is very basic, such as the AirPods. Literally the same specs as the AirPods. Same water resistance, same charging time, same look, same design, except for you got the wingtips. Call quality is good. Music quality, basic, I'm not gonna lie, very basic. Like, they're not the pro level, they're like on the below the regular AirPod level. So that's kind of what they are. Except they got the tips, so. In a big case for no reason, because the case is not really that good. So all I gotta really say about the Beats Fit Pros, they will be decent. If you're gonna use these for working out in the gym, they'll be pretty decent until you start sweating and they're gonna start falling out and you're gonna be pissed. So if you want some sports workouts headphones, these are it. Only for a few hours, just the same as the AirPod Pros. Like I said, once you start sweating, pop. You wonder why I know? Because I work out and I know, and I'm a sweater. And like I said, once they sweat, my AirPods are slipping out. And these wingtips ain't gonna do no better. You may need a clip, or just go with the Jabbers or some different products or some overheads. But with that being said, that's the end of the review. What do you guys think about the Beats Pro? They look nice. They look nice. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. They alright. Alright guys, I'm out. Throw them things up for your boy. I gotta go today. You gotta go today. Thanks for watching and I'm out. Peace. Y'all be safe.